often does someone ask you to borrow money? Have you ever lent money and the person never paid you back? Have you ever lost friends because of money? Should foreigners avoid lending money in the Philippines? How often does someone ask you to borrow money?
Um, like twice a month,
Mm-hmm.
but it depends if they needed it. But most of the time, they ask before borrowing money. So,
And what was the reason?
financially, they are not able to provide for themselves, so they borrow money.
Okay. Have you ever lent money and the person, what do you call this, like never paid you back?
Yeah, when I was in first year college, so I was a working student that time, and they know that I can provide.
Oh.
Yeah, so they most of the time they depend on me, especially in financial matters. So I provide because I know I can, and
Mhm.
I know maybe they are not financially stable. So yeah, I let them borrow my money.
How about you? Have you ever borrowed money and never paid back?
It's not my thing to borrow money and not pay back because I am a working student. I provide for myself. It's not my thing to borrow money and don't pay back. I know the feeling.
Mm-hmm.
So no.
So you never borrowed, right?
I am borrowing money, but I make sure that um
You pay them on time.
yes.
Okay. 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 How old are you?
I am 23 years old.
23 years old and working student. Wow. This one, have you ever lost friends because of money?
Yes.
Mm.
But it's not uh like friend na
Close friends.
yeah, close friends. Just like I know them,
Mhm.
but not totally like friends forever. So just cut off. Yeah.
And move on.
And move on.
And thank you. Thank you next.
Thank you.
Wow. Okay. For the last question, okay, should foreigners avoid lending money in the Philippines?
Um it depends. If you are someone who can provide, you can lend if you can. But be careful who you can lend the money. If they can pay you back, then that's okay. If they can't, then don't let them borrow your money.
So you are a college student, a working student, 23 years old. Are you single?
Yes, I am a single.
How long have you been single?
Since birth,
Oh, wow. That's interesting. Why?
I am not interested. Relationship is not for me. It's a choice to be single, and I choose to be single.
Why? Like,
I want to be financially stable, and of course, a relationship is not just fling.
mhm.
It's a commitment. And I want to be that person, a committed person, a financially able person, and emotionally also. And I'm looking for that person also.
So you're not closing your door. Like, someday.
My doors, but I want to be fully ready because I don't want to be hurt, and I don't want to hurt someone then. That's all.
Okay. What's your job? Like your, what do you call sideline job?
Okay, I am a radio host and social media manager.
That's beautiful.
Thank you.
How often does someone ask you to borrow money?
My friends borrow money from me from time to time every time we go out.
Every time you go out. So if you go out like every day, she's going to borrow?
Yes.
Wow. How many friends?
Uh, one or two friends. Maybe.
So you must be rich.
No, no. I just have a lot of cash with me every time, and my friends only use online payments like GCash.
Oh.
So they borrow cash from me.
They have money. It's just that they don't borrow. They don't bring cash.
Yes.
Have you ever lent money and the person never paid you back?
Yes. A lot of times also. Yes. Many people borrowed money from me and forgot to pay, and I'm too shy to ask them for the money back. So
And how much is the most that they?
I don't know, but maybe it's thousands now if it's accumulated. Yeah.
That's big. That's big already. 1,000. Oh my god, it's so hard to earn money nowadays. Okay, so you're so shy. So you're like the kind type of a friend that will be very shy to ask you the money.
Yes.
How about you? Have you ever borrowed money and never paid back?
No, not as much as I remember. No, I always remember to pay money because again I'm too shy to have a loan from someone.
Okay. Well, she can feel that. Definitely she's not gonna do that to someone. Okay. Have you ever lost friends because of money?
No, not yet. Not yet.
I'm very curious now. You must be rich.
No.
You're a college student, right?
Yes. Yes.
You study in a private school or public?
Private school.
I knew it. Okay. What's your course?
Psychology.
Psychology. Beautiful. Okay. And how old are you?
19 po.
19. Okay. Okay, for the last question. Okay, should foreigners avoid lending money in the Philippines?
I think generally we all should be careful in lending money, especially if you don't fully know or fully trust the person because you don't know if how they're gonna react when you ask them for the money back or if they're gonna scam you because it's very relevant lately.
Okay. How about if it's a family member?
Still, you should be careful because not anyone, even if you're very close with that person, not anyone can pay you back.
Okay. Are you single or do you have a boyfriend?
I'm single po.
Single. How long have you been single?
More than a year.
So I want you to be very honest, like very, very honest. Okay. How often does someone ask you to borrow money?
For me, it's not that often. I think only those people who are close to me.
So what is that?
Kind of just sometimes.
Sometimes. Okay, like once a month, twice a month, like that.
Yeah, probably. Once or twice a month.
How about you?
I think if I'm gonna count it in a month, yeah, like once a month, probably like once every 2 months, probably. And I really even can't remember the last time someone asked me for money. Honestly, I mean probably last like in December because it was Christmas and may mga money tayo nun. We had money.
And I think it's because like you're students, right? Like they're not working, so maybe
We still have no fixed incomes yet.
oh yes, exactly. So that's probably the reason why. But wait until you have jobs. Wait until you have jobs. Okay, how about this one? Have you ever lent money and the person never paid you back?
Yeah, I have.
Okay.
I have, but I never really confronted the person about it.
Why?
I'm shy.
Okay, we Filipinos are really shy. A lot of us actually. Okay, and how about you?
I mean, it's the same thing for me. I think that yeah, I mean, if may there's a culture in the Philippines kasi like if you're the one who lent money, the one who you lended money to will be the one angrier. He or she will be angrier than you. Like she the one you lent money has the right to be angry than you at you for like borrowing money from you. That why? Like why?
That's very true. Oh my god.
That's why like us we don't ask them for the payment anymore. Like second
We just wait for them to pay.
Okay. And or if they remembered it.
Yeah.
They remember to pay. But most of the time it's like, thank you.
Yeah. TY.
TY, thank you. Okay. How about this one? How about you? Have you ever borrowed money and never paid back?
I'm not the type of person to borrow money a lot. Honestly, because I'm generally just shy about it. And as much as possible, I find my own ways to have my own money. So if there was a time I haven't paid, I think it's because it's a friend and that friend just tells me na it's okay, don't pay me anymore. Yeah.
We always have a friend like that. It's like, don't worry about it. Keep it.
Yeah.
Very helpful friend. How about you?
As much as possible, the same as sir, as much as possible, I try not to really borrow money. But there are some times na I borrow money, but I never once in my life that I never paid them back. That's why, yeah, it's in my principles to pay them back. Yeah.
Have you ever lost friends because of money?
Oh, for me, not yet. Not yet.
Not yet.
Yet. Not yet for now.
Okay. But do you know anyone like, it happened to them that they lost friends because of money?
Yeah, I have heard some people, that money broke their friendship.
Okay.
It could be reasonable sometimes.
And you too.
Um, it's actually very funny because just recently, yeah, but it's not really directly related to me, but like friend group. It's a part of a friend group na because of money, things broke apart because of money.
How much was it?
Too much.
Too much to say. Like thousands, like that.
Yeah.
Should foreigners avoid lending money in the Philippines?
If it's someone you're not close with, honestly, although I love my country, my people, but if we're speaking frankly, there are really a lot of people here who immediately think a foreigner is rich, right? When they see a foreigner, wow, they think kumbaga, they're rich, and they also take advantage of them in terms of payments or like the fares. They um they actually add up something like an interest to them if it's a foreigner. So I think if it's someone you're really not that close with, you shouldn't lend them money.
How about if it's a family member?
If it's a family member, I think if you trust the person, then it could be.
How about if it's every day or like every 2 days the person is borrowing money because he is a foreigner, he has money, he's rich, and he's a family.
If you can provide and they can pay it back, if they pay it back actually, then yes. But if they don't pay it back and then ask for another money, then no.
Oh, okay. Okay. Do you think it's good? Like for example, you let the person you gave money, you let them borrow it, and then like let's say next week another family member or a friend found out about it and then they keep on asking. Do you think it's good to like keep on doing that, lending the money?
I don't think so, especially if you have nothing for yourself or if you have little for yourself, then you shouldn't, because it's just people pleasing at this point. If you keep on just letting people abuse you or use you.
How old are you guys?
I am 21.
21 and
I just turned 20.
20. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you. Hopefully, we earned your subscription. And also, if you like our content, please consider becoming a member for exclusive videos. Thank you so much for watching and take care, everyone. Bye bye.
Beautiful reflections are all I can see as I